Hey guys, this is a tiny update about the Pilot Edition for the 1/350th scale USS Enterprise. And this is mostly to answer some questions that we've had in the comments about whether or not the kit has two necks. And yes, it absolutely does. So I've seen some comments about the molds being lost. I can't speak to anything about what has happened with the mold or whether something was lost or remade. But I will say that we have this neck. And we do also have this one. So yes, you do get two different necks. Looks like this one has a couple different windows in it. So it also has this piece, which is more of a blank for you to put the shell bay doors onto, as the first and second Pilot Edition or versions of the model don't really feature a shuttle bay as seen in the show. And once again, here is the clear part sprue for the Pilot Edition, first and second Pilot versions. You can see there are extra blank pieces to fit that other neck.